How to back up your WhatsApp images. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can back up your WhatsApp images. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here is open up your WhatsApp. Make sure that you're logged in into your account. So we will need to head over to that chat section, but before that, you will be on this section. After you're on your WhatsApp and logged in, head over to the settings on the bottom right. After you're there you should find the chats option. So tap on chats, and after you tap on chats, there you will see your chat backup option. Now before we move on with this, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's continue. Head over to chat backup, and there you'll see an option called include videos. Now your photos are all by default included, so if you want to include your videos as well, toggle this button on. Then all you have to do is tap on backup now to start the backup process. Tap on backup now and the backup will begin. And after the backup ends, your WhatsApp images including everything else will get backed up. And that's how you back up your WhatsApp images, guys. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.